foods that can cleanse your lungs and help you breathe better. If you truly want to improve your overall health, it's important to take good care of your lungs. And one of the best ways to do so is to keep a close eye on the foods that you eat. In this video, we've listed out all of the best foods to eat for healthier lungs and easier breathing. So, if you're ready, let's go ahead and dive right in. But before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support us for more interesting videos like this, and also turn on notification so you never miss our videos. Eat more foods with healthy fats. For example, salmon. Salmon contains a large amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Nuts are another great source of beneficial fats. Research shows a small handful a day can lower the risk of cancer. Some studies claim that one serving of walnuts every day can reduce your cancer risk by up to 50%. Flax seeds is another one. Not only do flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, they also have lignans which offer an array of benefits. Eat more spices that reduce inflammation. Let's look at some examples. Ginger is a spice that has long been an asthma remedy in herbal medicine. Not only does it fight inflammation, ginger seems naturally promote smooth muscle relaxation in the airways of the lungs, which helps to make breathing easier. Curcumin is the active anti-inflammatory ingredient found in turmeric, a spice common in Middle Eastern and Asian food. Turmeric has many of the same benefits for the lungs as ginger. Garlic is another spice that reduces inflammation in the body. Not only does it reduce inflammation, it also possesses antiseptic properties that help the body ward off infections. Another one is onion. Yes, technically onions are vegetables, but many people use dried onions as a seasoning while cooking. Consuming onion reduces inflammation and lowers cholesterol levels, which can provide a boost to your cardiopulmonary system. Another one is chili peppers. Like cayenne pepper, chili peppers also contain capsaicin. Chili pepper is frequently found in Mexican food as well as other cuisine around the world. Like others mentioned in this video, some recent experiments suggest that chili peppers can slow down the spread of lung cancer. You can eat more fruits and vegetables high in antioxidants. Antioxidants help clean up free radicals in the body. Free radicals are known to cause genetic mutations, which can inhibit the proper function of every organ in your body, including the lungs. These mutations can also lead to cancer, which obviously is something that we want to avoid. This is why eating fruits and vegetables that are high in the antioxidants is so important for the health of your lungs. Oranges contain large amounts of vitamin C, iron, and vitamin B6. A different study found that vitamin C can prevent and treat acute upper respiratory tract infections. Another one is grapefruit. Studies found that consuming grapefruit juice may provide a boost for treating cancer. Grapefruits are also high in vitamin C, which provides all the benefits that we mentioned earlier. So there you have it. Now you know all of the top recommended foods that you can add to your diet for healthier lungs. Hopefully, you can use this list to improve the quality of your breathing and the overall health of your respiratory system. But just a reminder, always check with your doctor before changing your diet or taking any supplements. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. And thank you so much for watching these videos as always. Breathe easy, my friend.